Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones to buy in 2026, whether for aerial photography, travel, or professional video work, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 best drones of 2026, covering camera quality, flight time, range, smart features, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SJRC F11S 4K Pro Drone. The SJRC F11S 4K Pro is a GPS-enabled foldable drone designed for enthusiasts who want solid performance without a premium price tag. It features a 4K camera, 2-axis gimbal with EIS, brushless motors, and up to 1.2 kilometers transmission range. With 2 included batteries, you get extended flight time for longer shoots. In real-world use, the F11S delivers stable flight and reliable GPS positioning. The 2-axis gimbal combined with electronic image stabilization does a decent job for smooth video, especially in calm weather. This drone is very beginner-friendly thanks to one-key takeoff, return-to-home modes, and follow-me modes. It's a great choice for casual aerial photography and travel footage. Pros: affordable GPS drone, foldable and portable design, dual batteries included, stable flight with brushless motors. Cons: no 3-axis gimbal, limited range compared to premium drones. A great budget 4K drone for beginners and hobbyists who want GPS features without overspending. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. The Potensic Atom 2 is one of the most impressive under 249-gram drones in 2026. It offers 4K video, 8K photos, a 3-axis gimbal, and an incredible 10 kilometers transmission range. With the Fly More combo, you get up to 96 minutes of total flight time. This drone punches far above its weight. The 3-axis gimbal delivers extremely smooth footage, and the AI features like AI track, vertical shooting, and night shots make it perfect for content creators. Because it's under 249 grams, you can fly it in more locations with fewer restrictions in many regions. Pros: under 249-gram lightweight design, excellent 3-axis gimbal stabilization, long 10 kilometers transmission range, advanced AI features. Cons: small size struggles in strong wind. One of the best compact drones of 2026, perfect for vloggers, travelers, and social media creators. Number 3. 2026 upgraded professional 4K drone with touchscreen remote. This upgraded professional drone comes with a 7.2-inch touchscreen remote controller, 3-axis gimbal with EIS, and an incredible 100 minutes of total flight time. It also features GPS auto return, follow me, long-range transmission up to 6 miles, and even payload drop functionality. The standout feature here is the built-in touchscreen remote, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The drone delivers stable, cinematic footage, making it ideal for professional users. The long flight time makes it perfect for surveying, long shoots, and advanced aerial projects. Pros: massive flight time, touchscreen remote included, 3-axis gimbal with EIS, long-range transmission. Cons: larger and heavier design, not beginner-friendly. A powerful, long-range drone for professionals who need endurance and control. Number 4. GPS drone with 4K camera and LCD screen remote. This GPS drone features a 4K camera, brushless motors, and a controller with a 5-inch LCD screen. It offers up to 90 minutes of total flight time and intelligent flight modes like follow me, circle fly, and auto return. This drone is designed for beginners who want a premium feel. The built-in screen makes flying simple, and GPS stability ensures smooth control even for first-time pilots. Video quality is good for social media and casual use. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, LCD screen remote, long total flight time, lightweight and foldable. Cons: camera not truly professional grade, limited manual controls. A solid beginner GPS drone with convenient features and good overall performance. Number 5. Contixo Foldable Drone. The Contixo foldable drone comes with a true 3-axis gimbal, 4K camera, GPS return to home, and a 5-inch touchscreen controller. With 2 batteries, you get up to 46 minutes of flight time and a 3 kilometers range. This drone delivers smooth cinematic video, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. The flight controls are responsive, and GPS modes like Follow Me and Orbit work reliably. Build quality feels premium for the price. Pros: true 3-axis gimbal, touchscreen controller, strong GPS performance, good video stabilization. Cons: shorter flight time than competitors. Transmission range could be longer. A great mid-range drone for creators who care about video quality and smooth footage. So that's our list of the top 5 best drones of 2026. Best budget GPS drone, SJRC F11S 4K Pro. Best lightweight drone, Potensic Atom 2. Best professional long-range drone, upgraded 4K touchscreen drone. Best beginner drone, GPS drone with LCD screen. Best video stabilization, Contixo foldable drone. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Links to all the drones are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.